How to integrate Airtable with Google Sheets. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll teach you how you can integrate Airtable with Google Sheets. So, how do you go about it? It is simple, right? Very simple. Ensure you try it out after watching. The first step is to log in into your Gmail account. Sorry, your Airtable account. Yeah, once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like. All right. The next step is to move to the top right corner and click on the account icon. Then once you've done that, you can see a box being displayed. In this box, ensure you select integrations. Then after that, you'll see your connected accounts. Alright. Once you can see this, just move to the top right corner and click on connect new account. Then once you've done that, in the box displayed, you'll see several options. Alright. Then scroll down until you can see Google Sheets. So this is it. Once you've seen it, click on it. Now, once you click on Google Sheets, you'll be asked to sign in. Alright, so you have to choose an account. So for me, I'll be choosing this account. So once you have chosen it, click on continue. And then you'll be redirected to another page. Click on continue as well. And then just like that, your Google Sheet account will be connected to your Airtable account. Very cool, right? Yes. Another method is by using Zapier. Zapier is a site that allows you to do all of this. So to use Zapier, just enter add a new tab, enter the domain name for Zapier, which is www.zapier.com. And then once you've entered it in, you'll be able to sign in. Ensure you sign in, and then once that is done, you'll be brought to the Zapier's page. To create auto integrate, just click on create, click on Zaps, then you'll be redirected to the Zapier's editors page. Here you select trigger, and then here you select your Airtable. All right, then from there you'll be asked to choose an event, etc. To choose an event, just click on this box, click on new record, then click on continue. Then you'll be asked to sign in using your account, your Airtable account. Then once you signed in, you'll be asked to select a base. All right, go ahead, select it. Then for the table, you'll be asked to select the table as well. Then once you're done, click on continue, and then you can decide to test your trigger. For testing your trigger, you'll be asked to select a record that you want to work with. Then click on continue with record, and then once it has been accepted, in the change action page, you can see Google Sheets, right? So you can just select it, and you'll be asked to choose an event as well. After choosing an event, it will load. Click on continue, then you'll be asked to sign in using your Google Sheet account. So you can just go ahead and sign in what is as loaded, and then once you sign in, once you click on the account, it will load, and it will ask for permission. You can decide to allow it, and then once that is done, just like that, you can click on continue, and then continue as well. Then you can decide to test your SAP if you want to. If you don't want, you can just click on keep test, and then you can go ahead and publish your SAP. And just like that, your Airtable account will be connected to your Google Sheets. So it's that simple. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.